This is my
box.
This is
Ilya lo, pusomang ko ah.
this is the
Yes.
mega fine skin. Wait.
Yes.
Wait. Yes. Wait. I need to take out my glasses. Wait. Looks nice. Should I only?
Making?
I'm making lava.
Which one? Which one?
Lava.
Okay, so the first step. Tell me the first step.
First step, take a volcano.
Yeah. To find what color is that?
Yellow and red.
Yellow and
Red. Now we need to put in it.
down the handle. And then?
Sticky.
Huh?
Sticky.
Citric acid.
I have to put citric acid.
Mm.
Here. Now I need soda, baking soda.
So what do you need now again is?
Water.
Yeah, go and get water. What do it say? Do it, Ilya?
These are the materials to make a volcano.
Mm.
Now we need number 1 teaspoon of soda. Baking soda.
Apa kau itu? Kari kan kibiri. Mo.
This. Now water. One step.
1 teaspoon.
Second step.
The TSP is called teaspoon, okay?
Okay.
1 teaspoon of
One teaspoon of citric acid.
Slowly.
Acid.
Careful,
Careful, don't put it here. It looks like salt. Now we're putting this. Should we mix it?
Mixed it.
Yeah, mixed it.
Is it written there?
No, it's not.
Third one.
Third one. 2 or 3 drops of red and yellow food color.
Okay.
Here. How much do you want? 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Is this a color? Wait. This is not a color. This is a flavor. Okay, now this one. Put it. You're putting the flavor. It's fine.
Or why did they? So we did a mistake in the food color thing. Yeah. 1,
More.
2,
More.
3. Okay. Should I mix it? Now, I think you don't need to mix. I think we had this last step. We had to stay away from it.
No, wait.
Yeah, this is the last step. 4th step. Now mix it. Mix it. This is turning to orange. It's fine. Red plus yellow is orange. Yeah. Okay, now
Domi.
I think that's enough. Yeah, now should I pour it? But can I pour? You have to stay. Now put it fast. You have to put it fast.
Wow.
Volcano?
Can I touch?